One of the questions we get is, do I have to have special sheets with the Better? The answer is absolutely no, you don't. You can use any sheets from any store, and it doesn't matter if it's too long, too short, silky or not silky. What happens is you go to the store and you go to try to buy sheets and you don't want to spend that kind of money because of the fact that what if you get home and it doesn't fit? Happens all the time. So you always try to buy sheets that you think's going to fit. You have to return them. Let me show you with the Better. You can use any sheets. And this is a good example. This is a very deep pocket mattress that we're working with today. And this is a regular sheet. It's not a deep pocket sheet, but as you can see, it doesn't fit all the way underneath the mattress. So I could never tuck that in if I wanted to. So then I'd have to return this to the store. Now I don't. With the Better, all I do is flip it down, tuck it in, flip it up. It doesn't matter. I can use any sheets. And the same thing with a flat sheet. Use any flat sheet you want, and you just simply fold it down, tuck it in, and that's it. So it doesn't matter. You can absolutely use any sheets that you want without the worry of if it's going to fit when you get home.